Get them too excited. Agreed. Let's come in here. But look at, I don't know if everybody can see, look at the amount of bees that are just, they're just rolling. What are they grabbing? Oh, what are they grabbing? They're after the, okay, they're rolling the pellets. They're eating the pellets. Oh, that one's chewing on a piece of corn. Look at that. Funny. Okay. In fact, people, look at them. They're scraping. They're loading up on the. I don't know. They're loading up on something.
Opening will face the tree. So I guess it's the tree or the fence post or the building or the light pole, whatever you decide to put these on. You want to be here, you put the
Okay, everybody, here's what we got. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Old frames. 3, 4, 5 years plus old. Still going strong. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to take these, we're going to clean them all up real quick. And we're going to take these little bitty sticky tasties. And we're going to put them in here like shot. And we're going to pinch this back into it. No! Like shot. And pinch it, pinch it, pinch it. Yeah, buddy. And that's all it's going to take. Yes, that's all it's going to take. So let's do one real quick. And then we'll go see. I'll go show you where we're putting them. Alright. Righty. We're just going to take this. No, this is the tasty stuff they want. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Look at that worm. Clean. I know, dirty as can be. Does not matter. Doesn't mean a thing. Come on, pliers. Fire me. I want some pliers. What kind of rich show? That's a nice one. Oh, can pinch it. Look, the bee babies are they're already on the way. And we'll take this little bit. Oh! And we're gonna only clean up. Would you look at that? That's nice. That's so nice. This little nail. Let's clean up one side of this. Yes, we're leaving all the goobies on there. We're leaving all that tasty stuff on there. Millions of bee videos. I know, people. I know. Shum. And we're going to see. Put it back the way it was. Okay. That's fine. Didn't like so. Yep. And put that. Ooh. Yeah, that'll fit. Yep. Oh, no. Don't break it. Don't break it. And let's pinch it. What is this? Staples? Nope. That's not going to work. Yeah. We can do that. Do we really need to blow that thing up like that? I don't know. Holy. That's not necessary, people. Some tasties. One down, folks. No, don't put that there. One down. Oh, look at that. We got to leave something. That's just a staple. Let's leave some tasty for them. Oh, how can we leave all that little tasty right there? Let's try that.
Into a house, and there was a big hole in the roof, and there was holes in the wall, would you buy that house?
That's the pincher. That's the pincher. Sha. Okay. Don't break it because it's reusable. Reuse it. That's gonna be nice. Yeah. Yep. We're gonna be able to leave all the little tasty right there. Okay. And just make it see we get a good pinch on it. Yep, we're leaving all the goods. Don't want to. Ooh, a nice sticky one. Nice little sticky one. Oh yeah. A nice little sticky one. And we're gonna stick that up in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep. And just push it, pinch it. Yep. Some. Oop, that's a little bit. This nail gun's a little aggressive. It's a little bit much on the nail gun. Two. Ready. One more. Let's see where our pinch is. Pinch it. Pinch it. Okay. Shot. Tastiness. Don't burn it, people. Don't burn it. There's no reason to burn stuff. No reason to tear stuff up. Oop, get that on there. That one. And let's clean this side because this is not getting far away. There's a little wire. Used to go around. We're not doing it that way. That is nice. That is the best. I'm just going to get something to attach to here. See where the bugs can hide? Right in that little bitty corner. And that's something. Take another little sticky. Another little sticky. Oh, look at that. How are we going to get that in there? The wire's on the wrong side. maybe we get creative here. How I'm gonna do that? It goes through that. Oh, you don't worry about that. Not worried about that. Pinch it. Okay. Liking that. I really like that. I don't know it, but the bees are all over right now. They are all over. Yeah, okay. 3 down. Let's just get all these ready. Let's see which one is. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Yow. Oh, that hurt. I know you're probably saying, why don't you just bend it over? Yeah, I don't know. Why don't I? Yeah. Would you look at that? Somebody's coming to say hi. Grab one more stickiness. That goes back. That is, that'll work. Sure. Push it in. Bend it. Pinch it. Stip it. 1. Whoa, that's too much. Don't do it. That is totally unnecessary, people. Okay. Don't worry, we're not throwing our little chunkies away. We're keeping all the little Alright, let's knock these 2 out. What? Inferior. Okay, another little sticky. These are amazing. Yes. They will come and check it out. They love it. They love it. Okay, here, this is the inside, folks. What? Why? Okay, while we're here, let's go. Try not to get stung. We're gonna take these. There's already bees flying around here. No, it's not a swarm. Nothing's caught yet. It's going to be a good possibility to get stung. Stinger. Put these up here. Put this right here for a moment. And let's see what people are doing here. Ooh. Oh. We're gonna clean all these up. Hi, buddy. Oh, what's going on, Guido? Oh, my Guido, what's going on, Guido? Somebody. This one's kind of a drawn out thing, maybe, possibly. I don't know. All right, let's stop at that, everybody. Keep it tight. Keeping tight, because when the action's actions, look out, boys. Guido! All right, folks, and we're going to close her up. These bees are pretty smart. They know what's going on. Carrying this around. Swarm Commander, not a good idea. Oh, look at you. Look at you big babies. Oh, look at you. All right, we're actually taking this. Okay, let's go for a walk. Look, they like all these little tasties. All right. So we have right here, folks. This, no. I don't know what that is. Not happening. These will make it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll go. Alright, and let's go. Of course, we don't want to get them too excited. Agreed. Let's come in here. But look at, I don't know if everybody can see, look at the amount of bees that are just, they're just rolling. What are they grabbing? Oh, what are they grabbing? They're after the, okay, they're rolling the pellets. They're eating the pellets. Oh, that one's chewing on a piece of corn. Look at that. Funny. Okay. In fact, people, look at them. They're scraping. They're loading up on the. I don't know. They're loading up on something. Alright. Some of this, some of this, some of this. This. Like this. Anybody home? Alright. Put that right there for a second. You know what? This isn't. Let's put this on hold. We're going to take these and. Okay, let's take this. Ooh, little tasty gem. Almost done, folks. Alright. I really don't want to get stung. I forgot my suit. That's alright. I mean, this is just like, yeah, I'm definitely going to get stung. Bees nice today. Wow. Yeah. They're happy. And they're eating. There's comb. Wow. Let's see what's going to happen here in a week with this right here. We'll be back with that. Come on, boys. I mean, girls. Boys. Haha, very funny. Don't sting me. Let's put this. Let's see. We can sneak this one over here. Yeah, this is a tasty one. Start drawing these babies out. I don't know. You guys are going to start getting creative in here. Let's see. Stop. We're going to stop right there. Wait. Let's give them their food. Some food. Watch out, girls. Whoa. That's not good. That was almost a, come on, girls, disaster. Absolutely. Look at the feast in here. Yep. He's totally happy with this. He already got comb on it. So, taking this one away. This one away. All a little food. Put a little food right there. fancy tasty. Put in the tasty one right here. Put in the big one right here. Okay, unbelievable, guys. February, middle of February. Oh, that's where they were going in and out. Nope, they're all going in and out there. Still showing a little light. Let's see what is even happening over here. This is, nope, absolutely nothing right here. They're thinking about it. No. We're going to leave that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what happens with that. Alright, well, let's come on back down and, Hey, boy! Hi, Guido! What's going on, Guido? Whoa! Look at that, big girls. Wow, okay. I'm going to do... Oh no, what the heck? It is all over me. Not good. I'm going to leave that open. You know, the rooster likes, he eats a little bees too. The rooster's chicken, they snack the bees. And the guineas love them, the guineas will grab them right out of the air.